Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a tutorial for this very warm toned eye makeup which I created using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. So let's get started with the look. I'm going to start with the skin first. I'm using the MAC Strobe cream in the shade Goldlite, which has a very fine gold pearl particles. It just gives a really nice dewiness to the skin. And then I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation in the shade Cashew, just doing a very light layer using my beauty blender. Before I start with the eyeshadow work, I'm going to fill in my brows and I'm using the brow pencil by L'Oreal. This is something once again I picked up from the US drugstore. A lot of the products I'm using in this video are actually products I picked up while I was in New York. So they may not be available in India, but you can always use something similar to recreate this look. Now I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, which is basically very reddish, warm tones. I really like this palette, and being Urban Decay, the quality is obviously very good. Very smooth textures, very good pigmentation. I'm starting with this very orangey, almost reddish eyeshadow, and it looks a little blotchy right now, but once I layer the soft browns over it, it's going to look better. For the center of the lid, I'm using this shimmery copper color. This has like medium level of shimmer. This is not exactly a very glittery color. I'm going to apply it all the way till my crease, and then I'm going to use another even more like sparkly kind of a copper shade from NYX along with the multitasking glue, and I'm going to add it just at the center of my lid to get that really nice reflective shine. To line my upper lash line, I'm going to use the Super Liner by L'Oreal. This is a felt tip liner. It has another silvery kind of a pencil color on the other end, which I don't personally like so much, but the black liner, the felt tip liner, is really good. So I've done my winged eye, and now I'm just going to apply a bit of mascara. Once again using L'Oreal. This is the Voluminous Feline mascara. It just gives you a really nice length and a reasonable bit of volume. I'm also going to use a pair of false eyelashes later. My under eye area needs a little extra help since I've not been sleeping very well, so I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the shade NC42 just to conceal and brighten up the area. To set it, I'm using the Secret Brightening Powder by Mercier. This is basically an under eye powder with just a little bit of a reflective finish to it. Then I'm going to just finish up my lower lash line. I'm going to add a little more of those warm brown colors and then use the mascara on my lower lashes as well. I'm not using anything on my lower waterline, no kajal and no eye pencil. For the face first, I'm going to do a little bit of contouring using this little palette by Tarte, which is actually a very good palette to travel with because of its size. Then I'm using the Chanel Joues Contrast blush in the shade Malice, which is one of my absolute favorites. The texture is absolutely beautiful. It's very silky, very blendable. The color is really nice, like a really pretty, like a dirty peach color. For a little bit of extra concealing, I'm using the Soft Matte Concealer by NARS, and this is in the shade Ginger. I'm using this just to brighten up the area around my nose, the mouth and the chin. For the lips, I've chosen this really nice earthy dark peachy brown color. This is the shade Give Me Mocha by Wet n Wild. It's a liquid lipstick, and this is the first time I actually tried out this formula. It's very thin, very smooth on the lips, doesn't make your lips feel very dry, but still has that really nice clean matte finish of a liquid lipstick. And for a finishing touch, I'm going to use the new Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter. This is in the shade 24K Gold. I'm using that light gold color, and I've gone just a little bit overboard with the highlighting because I wanted to kind of show you how you can use this highlighter. You can get a really intense highlight. So I've used this on the cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose and the cupid's bow, and that is the final finished look. The colors I've used here are very flattering for the Indian skin. It's something even girls with deeper wheatish and dusky skin can try. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.